Hi everyone. The topic is Adaptive Cyber Policing Management to Diffuse the Fake Government of India, Fake Government of Telangana, and Cyber Criminal Legacy for Secure Digital India. Abstract. Fake Government of India, Fake Government of Telangana are proven cyber criminal organizations owing to the two FIRs by the Cyberabad police at Telangana. They are the first COOs of the kind of online fake governments in India. They came to be in vogue in the second decade of the current millennium. Fake government of India, fake government of Telangana involve big data cybercrimes of degree 1,20,000 units of multifarious India abusive cybercrimes. Nearly 2,500 online registrants of multifarious academics streams were cybercriminally influenced under the sway of fake government of India in Telangana. Two FIRs are against. The first one, State Emblem of India Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005 violation, and the second, Identity Theft IT Act 2000 to 2008 Section 66C violation owing to the fake government of India and Telangana. Adaptive management of higher education academics became challenged owing to the ill-checked fake government of India and Telangana. Fake government of India and Telangana are a kind of online fake governments and the deleterious effects thereof, such as cybercriminal legacy, have the potential to spread like wildfire and challenge the national unity and integrity of India if left unchecked. Unconvicted, unprohibited COOs such as the fake government of India and Telangana ensure the India abusive cybercriminal legacy in our national fabric. The fake government of India and Telangana cybercrimes have opened few new vistas for research among the cyber policing think tank led by People's Governance Forum, a registered NGO, Hyderabad, of like-minded communities such as researchers, computer students, and teachers. We, a cyber policing think tank at PGF, aimed at diffusing the fake government of India and Telangana and the cyber criminal legacy thereof for secure digital India. Wayback Machine web robot software is used for cyber forensics with respect to the fake government of India and Telangana. Our cyber policing R&D work is to diffuse the cyber criminal legacy by public awareness generation methodologies such as website development methodology, social software methodology, and allied cyber policing community development methodologies. In the square, recurrence of the prevalence and usage of fake government of India and Telangana kind of cybercrimes is preventively checked. PGF formulated the guidelines to the organizations and government for the diffusion of the fake government of India and Telangana that plagued the organizational settings in Telangana. Introduction. We have encased the baneful side of the internet for a case study of India abusive cybercrimes. The rest of the paper is organized as follows. Section 2 presents PGF publications. Software Engineering Students March 2021 video presentation links. Section 3 presents PGF publications. Modern Software Engineering Students March 2021 video presentation links. Section 4 presents PGF publications. Modern Software Engineering Students March 2021 video presentation links of 51 students. Section 5 presents Cyber Policing R&D work of PGF members. Information given in the Cyber Policing R&D Chief Professor K. Chandrasekharaya webpage. Table 1, Table 2, Table 3, 4 and 5 depict cyber policing for the software engineering problem of cybercrimes case study remedially explored. Students studied PGF research publications and created YouTube links for giving awareness to the pupils in the society. The paper is organized as Research Gap Section 2. Objective of the research in Section 3, Research Methodology in Section 4, and Findings and Recommendations in Section 5. Future scope for research in Section 6 and conclusions in Section 7. Research gap. On the charge sheet of FIR 1, there was mention for supplementary charge sheet filed when A2 is filed, but the supplementary charge sheet was not filed by the police department. In the FIR 1, police department has case closed without conviction and prohibition orders of cybercrime case. It was very unbelievable that the Cyberabad police station, which is a professional organization, they failed to file charge sheet on FIR 2. The KPHB police station filed the charge sheet on FIR 1. Another research gap was the list of persons not available, 2500 unknown registrations of the cybercrime case study. Objective of research. The main objective of the paper is national thinking of IT remedy for national laws. So there is no recurrence of similar kind of cybercrimes in future. Our research work is intended to prevent further spreading of this kind of similar cybercrimes. This means that there will be no similar fake governments coming up online in the future. To recover the national consciousness, prevents or recover cybercrime legacy. PGF is to make sustainable management of positive digital transformation in higher education a reality by successful cyber policing to diffuse the fake government of India in Telangana, kind of online fake governments in India. In this direction, we present a profile of our cyber policing studies and approaches. We aimed at the development of positive quality of digital national life of netizens for secure digital India. Our work contributes to prevent the recurrence of the incidents of a fake government of India and Telangana, a kind of online fake governments. I developed a system for networked websites with the details about such organizations to develop community settings for secure digital India that is free from India abusive cybercrimes is presented. Research methodology. We are approaching two methodologies for the cybercrime case study. These are social software methodology, website development methodology. The founder of PGF Forum is Professor K. Chandrasekharaya and cyber policing researchers such as Malati, S. Ravikumar, Sri Hari Rao, Ramesh Babu, Atma Rao. Findings and recommendations. We find a cybercrime through the Wayback Machine. It is a web forensic tool to get archived versions of the websites. We are cyber policing to the cybercrime case in the fake website. 2500 persons are registered unknowingly in the JNU academic environment. The guideline to Government of India and Telangana, Government of Andhra Pradesh recommendations for issuing probation orders for these types of cybercrimes. Scope for further research. There is an immense scope for research on the cybercrime case study. We are giving awareness of the cybercrimes in the society through various social software and website development methodologies. But it is not sufficient. India has a population of 130 crores, so that for every citizen has come forward for similar kind of process which we followed. It is the best process for diffusing these type of cybercrimes in the future. Conclusion. This paper provides a cyber policing adaptive management for diffusion of fake government of India and Telangana. It defines a remedial solution for the development of national virtues by different student streams in Telangana academics. The students read 40 R&D research publications and created 51 YouTube video presentation links. These presentations give awareness to the pupils and it moves ill-informed society to well-informed society. Hence our work gives national consciousness and national solidarity of the India. Here our work gives knowledge-based systems to diffuse cybercrimes of cases. We present how PGF has endured for cyber policing solutions driven by the development of national virtues among multifarious streams of students in Telangana academics. PGF developed a cyber policing orientation and setting for the relevant organizational stakeholders in Telangana for diffusing fake government of India and Telangana. Thank you.